Hey, got a minute? Good. I got something I want you to hear. It's a real cool number you'll be rocking to come the fall on Dick Clark's American Bandstand. And you know what? It's by the same guy who wrote Witch Doctor and The Bird in My Head. And gang, this is the first time anyone has ever heard this collector's item. Give a listen now.
Cough drops, brother, never tasted so good. Got a jazzy lemon cough drop, just take it from me. A new Vicks drop named Vitamin C. Got a lip-licking lemon flavor, try 'em you should. Cough drops, brother, never tasted so good. Got a lip-licking flavor that's lemon all through. Pop one in, good for you.
Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, let's hear it again. This time with some soft talk about those Vicks Vitamin C cough drops. The way Dick Clark will do it on his American Bandstand starting on October 7th.
Cough drops, brother, never tasted so good. Got a jazzy lemon cough drop, just take it from me. A new Vicks drop named Vitamin C. Got a lip-licking lemon flavor, try 'em you should. Cough drops, brother, never tasted so good.
He's right. You'll love the lip-licking lemon flavor of Vicks Vitamin C cough drops. They do what a cough drop should. Soothe that tickle, ease that soreness. And they're fortified with vitamin C. Good for you. Eat 'em anytime, especially when your throat feels raw and raspy. Here's real smooth, soothing relief. So get new Vicks Vitamin C cough drops in the lemon yellow box.
Got a lip-licking flavor that's lemon all through. Pop one in, good for you.